Good morning, family. So, the sound you hear is my air conditioning unit. Yep, it's been raining, but that's okay. It has given us a break, and no, it's not done for the day, but we got a break. So, what I'm out here doing is, yeah, y'all, pulling up weeds. But as you can see in this bed, the weeds are so easy to come up. This soil is amazing in this bed. So this is one of the beds, the raised beds I made, which I made them all, but this is one of the first ones I made. And this soil is just amazing. It's just amazing. I love it. And this is where I have my okra. My okra is in this bed. I have a couple of peppers. And I'm going to walk around after I finish just to share all the things I have in this bed because there is a lot. Yeah, there's a lot. Also, check that out. Y'all see that? That is one of those botanical interest flowers that I will share with you all. Isn't she pretty? Now, she's going to fluff out a little bit more, but that's her. That's one of them. I don't know how she got there, but I'm glad she did. Now, in this bed also, I have a lot of, that is lemon balm. Yeah, I have a lot of it. So I'm allowing the lemon balm to stay. And of course, like all the beds in my garden, I have lots and lots of zinnias growing. Yeah, they all over, but I don't mind. I'm not mad. I take it, baby. I take it. So I just wanted to stop in today and just to see how you all are doing today, family. Today is Friday. Oh, it's Friday. It's Friday. So I have a, a long weekend planned. I have to do some singing this weekend, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm looking forward to having a great time, no matter what. Yeah, I'm gonna have a great time. So I'm looking forward to it. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get back to cleaning up this bed. So what I did was I split this bed into two, really. I'm going to share. There is right there, there is a board that I have going all the way across. You can't see that, but it's in there. And it kind of separates the bed. And so this side over there is mullein. This side is everything else. But when I finish and get all the weeds out, because yeah, they're nice and healthy too. I'm gonna get them out and then I'll share it. Okay? All right, family. So many times when I'm looking for seedlings, I just go to my garden. I can find seedlings everywhere. Zinnias, you want zinnias, baby? They all over the place. I have zinnia seeds everywhere, everywhere. All at my feet. That is Zena's family. All in this bed that I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna just relocate them. That's all. I'm gonna relocate them. Also, there is beans in here and morning glories. Also, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. So, I have many seedlings all over in my garden. This is a Brussels sprout family. I transplanted her. And as you can see, this little girl ain't gonna make it. But that's okay. I got another plant to put in her place. I know it sounds harsh, but that's life. Mm.
everybody, it's Jaydah, and I just got back from school, per usual. And what you are looking at is me and my Mimi's meal, which is yakame.
So this is the beginning stages of us cooking yakame. Now, what you see in there, the meat, that is 2 T-bone steaks we had.
Yeah.
So this is what the meat is going to be for our yakame, right? So Jaydah have seasoned the water really well. She put a bay leaf in there, and now she's adding 2 eggs. In the shells, y'all. Don't crack them. We want to just boil them. That's all we want to do.
Notice I'm moving so slow. I don't want to drop it.
Yeah. Now I'm about to cut up my fresh seasoning like onions and celery and garlic. What else? Parsley. Yeah. Well, I have some dehydrated parsley I'm gonna use today. I have some dehydrated green onions I'm gonna use. Wait, I'll share it with you. Give me a second. All right, so these are my dehydrated. Whoa, you all right?
Yeah.
These are my dehydrated green onions. We're gonna put that in it. I have some bell peppers I'm gonna put in, and I did go out in my garden. I found a green onion. I did find one. So we're gonna do that, and we put some butter in it. Jaydah season it, and what else, Jaydah?
The steak, the eggs, and we're gonna be making some noodles on the side to.
Yeah, we're gonna cook some spaghettis, and I'm gonna serve it the way many people here in New Orleans eat yakamein, the way it was served to me when I was growing up, okay? Because now they have bowls and stuff. We didn't do bowls. We didn't do bowls, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna share what we used and how we ate our yakame. All right, guys, we'll be back.
Hey everybody, once again. So here's the finished product of the yakame. There's 3 of them because I have 2 siblings, and then there's 3 kids in total, which includes me. So yeah, this one is for me, and these 2 are for my brothers, Josh and Jaden. Y'all probably know them.
So you want to tell them what's in it, or just want you to go in yours and pull up what's in the bottom?
Okay, well, as you can see on top, there's an egg, boiled egg, and then there's the steak, or the, meats of choice, and then you have your noodles, balance it out, make it the best. And then
spaghetti.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you on here. So what we use to garnish it is some red bell peppers and some hydrated
green onions.
Green onions. I was gonna say shallots.
I went out and I got some chives. I don't know about them chives, y'all. But anyway, Jaydah gonna taste it and see if you like it.
I feel that I am gonna like it.
So also a lot of people, of course, they use a lot of hot sauce when they do this. So you know.
Doctor it up how you like it.
Yes. Yeah. Season it up the way you like it.
Okay.
Yeah. But hot sauce is something that goes in there. Yeah. Hot? Good? Good? All right. It's hot, y'all. Oh, wow.
That's good.
So when I was growing up, like in high school and things like that, we used to stop and get yakame and walk home, and yeah, we eat it on the way home. But yeah, and also, it was just a quick, easy meal to prepare at home. But a lot of people in New Orleans know how to cook it, so it wasn't expensive. And this is the way they served it to us, in styrofoam cups. Yeah, that's the way they did. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we thank you all for hanging out with us. We hope you enjoy the meal.
Yeah.
The meal. Yeah. All right.
Later, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoy the video too.
All right, guys. Later, y'all. Boom.
Hey everybody, it's Jaydah once again, and I just got back from school not too long ago, and today we're making pecan candy. And these are the ingredients.
Okay.
So we have regular sugar.
2 cups of.
2 cups of regular sugar.
Mm-hmm.
And then
It's like a 1/4 cup of.
1/4 cup of brown sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Then we
1
have
cup.
1 cup of pecan.
And if we see we need more, we got more.
Yep. And then we have some vanilla extract.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a whole can of evaporated milk.
Yep.
And
And
yep,
what's that?
some margarine or butter, and it's half a stick of butter.
All right. So we're gonna melt this, and Jaydah is gonna put in the milk, and we'll be back.
Alright, everybody. So far I have added my evaporated milk, my white sugar, 2 cups of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and about maybe like a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. And I'm just letting it come to, well, no, I don't know about a boil, but just letting it heat up and let all the sugar get well incorporated and melt down. We'll be back.
Right.
So we've added the pecans and let it cook and get all caramelly and, you know.
Gooey. It's
Yeah.
gooey, baby.
And now put it on the buttered pan and we're just going to spread it out.
Oh no. It's getting harder. Oh well. It's gonna be thick. Because she is getting hard right now. So I say when my mother used to make this, she used to use 2 cans, like just double the recipe. It was so good. All right. So now that's the way it looks.
Beautiful.
New Orleans style. Florines. Pecan candy. All right, mommy, let's let it cool and we'll come back to cut it.
Okay.
So Josh is here and Jaydah, so they're gonna try it. Come on, Josh, Jaydah, y'all taste. It's not.
warm.
No, get like this piece, Paul. There you go. There you go. There you go.
It is hot.
It's still hot. It's hot. It's good, Paul. Look at mommy.
It's too hot.
It's too hot. You like it though, baby? Yeah. So that's our pecan candy. Jaydah, you did good today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys. Later, y'all.
Later.